This is her favorite. The dishwasher. It's open. Look. Look. Oh, it's open. Come get it, Sofia. Come get the dishwasher. Almost there. Almost there. Dun dun dun. Let the games begin. Her little dress is tucked into her shorts so that she can still crawl. Oh, what do you got? You going for the ice cream scoop already? Going for the big guns right off the bat? Nice. Is that good? I don't think there's any food on there, sweetie. She is having fun with the dishwasher. I'm documenting how exciting the dishwasher is, so that later in life, when she refuses to do dishes, she'll be like, "You see how much fun you used to have in the dishwasher?"
It's like our most preferred activity.
Yeah. You were so wonderful back then, when you want to spend all your time in the kitchen playing with the dishwasher. And now I can't get you to clean up one damn plate.
Why go to the movies with your friends when you can clean the kitchen?
Yeah. You got the ice cream scoop?
How stupid will we live in like 2027 when there are no movies?
Hi. Oh, is that good? What are you doing? Look, there's also this thing you can play with. Hi. Is that spoon better? Is that better than the one you just had? Does the pink one taste better than the purple one? my gosh. Dangerous with that thing. Hey. Hey. Alright. Are you gonna do anything else entertaining? Guess not. Okay, bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.